Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my mathematics class with teacher Izmi. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment my YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, see you again. Are you ready to join my class today? I hope you are ready. Okay, today we are going to learn about compare and arrange number. Compare in Malay is bandingkan. Bandingkan nombor which one the greater or smallest number. Bandingkan yang mana satu nombor besar atau nombor yang lebih kecil. And arrange, we arrange number in ascending and descending order. Kita akan susun number dalam bentuk menaik ataupun menurun. Okay class, before we start our class today, you should be know by the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare the value of two numbers, arrange numbers in ascending and descending order, complete any number sequence in ascending and descending order. So you can compare, bandingkan number dan juga susun number dalam bentuk menurun ataupun menaik. Okay, compare value. Apa itu bandingkan nilai. Okay, which numbers is greater? Mana satu number yang besar? So, the number is 20,999 or 23,089. Which one the greater? So, first we arrange the number according to the place value. Then we check the digit from the biggest value. So kita susun number dan kita akan lihat daripada hadapan, iaitu nilai tempat yang paling besar. Nilai tempat yang paling besar ialah 10,000. So in 10,000 we have 2. So dua-dua ialah digit 2. So it's same. So we cannot compare the value. So we look at the 1,000 place value. So 0, 3. So 3 is the biggest. So that, jadi 3 adalah yang paling besar daripada 0. So that 23,089 is greater than 20,999. So you have to check from the left ataupun tengok daripada hadapan mana satu nombor yang paling besar. So, example number 2. Which one number is smaller? 18,678 or 18,609. So, remember class, to compare numbers, you have to check the digit from the left or the biggest value. So, kena tengok dari hadapan. Okay, kita check. So from 10,000, so this is a same digit. Okay, cannot compare yet. Okay, 1,000 also same digit. 100 also same digit. But place value of 10, so there is 7 and 0. So 0 is the smaller. So that 18,609 is smaller than 18,678. Okay, remember class, you have to check from the left. Okay, kita akan tengok daripada depan ataupun kiri. Tengok yang mana satu nombor yang paling besar atau paling kecil. Okay, class? Okay, class. Next example. Which number is biggest? 58,078 or 58,609. So we compare from the left. So digit 5 is the same. Then 1,000 place value. Also same digit, which is 8. Then we go to the 100th place value. So there is 0 and 6. So which one the biggest digit? The biggest digit is 6. So that 58,609 is bigger than 58,078. Are you understand, class? I hope you understand about compare value. Okay, next we are going to learn about arrange number. We can arrange number in ascending and descending order. Okay, class, we continue to example 1. Arrange the number in ascending order. Okay, what is ascending order? Okay, first we look at the numbers given. 18,678, 20,173, 14,704, 16,850. Ascending order is arrange the number from smallest to the largest number. Maksudnya ascending order ialah menaik, susunan secara menaik daripada nombor yang paling kecil sehingga nombor yang paling besar. Untuk tulis jawapan mesti ada koma. Okay? Okay, first look at the table. Okay, we must check from the 10,000 place value or the biggest place value ataupun tengok daripada kiri. Okay, so from the 10,000 place value, there is digit 2. So automatic this number is the largest number. So the others is digit 1. So we must check at 1000 place value. Kita kena check di rumah 1000 pula. Sebab di rumah 10,000 semua mempunyai nilai digit yang sama, iaitu 1000. So we have to check 1000 place value. 8, 4 and 6. So 4 is the smallest digit. The second smallest digit is 6 and the third smallest is 8. So that we can arrange the number according to ascending order. 14,704, 16,850, 18,678, and the last one, the biggest number is 20,173. Okay, now example 2. Arrange the number in descending order. Okay, what is descending order? Okay, the number given is 8,678, 11,573, 13,604, 16,850. Descending order is arrange the number from the largest to the smallest number. Descending down. D maksudnya kita menurun. Susunan nombor secara menurun. Iaitu daripada besar ke yang paling kecil. Nombor yang paling besar ke nombor yang paling kecil. So look at the table. Okay. Automatically 8,678 is the smallest number because there are just only 1,000 number. The others is 10,000. So the 10,000 is same. Okay, di nilai tempat 10,000 semua digit dia adalah sama. Jadi kita tengok pada nilai digit di tempat 1000, 1000. So 1, 3 and 6 is the largest digit. So that descending order is 16,850, 13,604, 11,573. 8,678. Okay class, I hope you understand descending and ascending order. So that's all for today. Don't forget to submit your exercise. Bye class, see you again. Take care, stay safe and stay home. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.